All-Fill's model VF100E is our standard vibratory filler. In this video, we will show you how to easily break down, clean, and put back together your VF100E. First, lock down the casters to ensure your machine stays in place. Second, press the E-stop and unplug your machine. Now that your machine is off and secure, we can start to break it down. Start by removing the weigh bucket from the load cell. Next, unscrew and remove the detachable nozzle or chute from the discharge transition. Then, take off the discharge transition. After that, unscrew and remove the product gate from the hopper. Then, remove the bolts from each side of the hopper with a 9/16 inch wrench. Finally, carefully lift and remove the hopper from the pan. Now that all the parts have been removed, proceed to clean your parts with warm soapy water or a preferred cleaning solution. Be sure to do the same to the pan as well. Once your parts are clean, start by replacing the hopper and securing the bolts in place. Next, screw the product gate back onto the hopper. Then, replace the discharge transition and screw the detachable nozzle or chute back on. Finally, replace the weigh bucket, and your VF100E is now complete. For more info, email us at info@allfill.com or call us at 610-524-7350.